Hey guys, Rusty here at Ugly HP. I'm working on one of these Ford Exploders. This is a 13. But just a little quick, hey, if you ever have to pull the transmission out of this, so this is a cop car where they blew the transmission, and the company has us fix all their stuff, so they bring us a drivetrain. As you can see, these torque converters do not come off the flywheels like a regular vehicle. They're crap. They are built, this is the converter, to fit in that hole as if they're sealing water. So if you pull the transmission, the converter doesn't come off. Just remember, you're gonna have to get a pry bar in there, and these do not come out easy. All right, you have to work it out. It's nothing you did wrong. I thought something was messed up when we separated this junkyard transmission off the engine, and the torque converter didn't come with it. It's the torque converters. It's a flawed design. So keep that in mind if you're doing this on your driveway. It's gonna get messy.